Please just come to the diet event.
Hey, think what you're asking me to do.
We can negotiate your position, but you need to start talking to Leaky. We need the dyad now.
We?
You. If you are sick. Our relationship can be whatever we want. We have leverage.
You still work for Leaky.
On your behalf, to protect you.
These samples aren't gonna go to Dyad. And you can't tell them that we know about the patent either. I do my own research. First.
This is my biology. It's my decision.
Okay?
Okay. You're right.
Well, what, you're accusing me of colluding with Sarah I'm sorry, shit kick Rachel? Well, I don't know, why would I do that?
Aldous, Sarah, she's a con artist. She fooled us too.
Did she?
She stole your pass card.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, none of us ever trusted her.
Let me just say, Rachel takes insult very personally. If you want to help Sarah, you'd be uniquely positioned to do so here at the Dyad. I, for one, would like to avoid a war.
And I just want to make crazy science with you in our new lab.
Obviously, you're part of a high-security program.
Yeah, most restricted projects are entirely compartmentalized.
Right, so smart people don't know what they're actually working on.
But you will. You're working on yourself. Do the honors?
I was right, it's clone jail.
It's not.
You know, if I wanted an obsolete lab, I could just go to a community college.
We're going to customize it.
Here, your opportunities will be endless. Just last month, I emailed a vaccine to a colleague in Delhi who then recreated it on a 3D biological printer.
That is completely amazing.
Think of what we could build in this room.
Please, make a list. Equipment, personnel, just blue sky it. Together.
Does this extractor fan even work? No.
But that's okay, we'll get it fixed.
Right. You making like a shopping list for me?
I am.
Okay. Chill zone up here with like a Persian rug and this really nice leather couch.
Hang on, does the gene chip system make a two-channel array moot?
Moot.
You're so cute.
So much for security. Hello. Rachel Duncan. Dr. Cormier. Look at you waltzing into Leaky's office whenever you wanna.
Well, yeah, only when he's away. But he's away a lot and I like it in here.
We should mess with his like little bioenergy hobby farm. I'm gonna put like an electric eel in one of these tubes. He'll be like, "Great Scott, I've created life itself."
Cosima?
What?
Come here.
What?
I just found out. I think you have a right to see this.
All right.
I just want to show you.
Oh, whoa. Hi.
Who is that?
I'm Jennifer Fitzsimmons. I'm a teacher and swim coach at Sheldon High. So they asked me to keep this video journal because they found polyps on my lungs. I was having trouble breathing and went in for tests and, yeah, unidentified polyps.
Jennifer was the first to show symptoms 6 months before Katja Aubinger. We have hours of these tapes.
She all right?
She died 3 days ago.
The bad news is the cough is getting worse, but the amazing news is Dr. Aldous Leakey of the Dyad Institute says he can help. So they're gonna fly me out for treatment, thanks to this amazing guy. This is Greg, my amazing boyfriend. New semester starts today. Holly sent me a picture of the new class. They look like a good group. Mr. Romero sent me a card.
You've seen all of it.
It's her monitor, right? Yeah. Sometimes I forget that you're mine.
That's good.
You kept her completely in the dark. She had this total fake hope.
It's not fake. Not for any of us. The fact that she was naive did not compromise her treatment. You know, we are telling you everything now, but if you can't handle it...
I can handle it. Don't be a bitch.
That's what I thought.
Doctor,
Better get ready.
help me. He lied.
You ready?
I take it you did a rotation in pathology, Dr. Carnian.
I did. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Are you fine to help me with this? Because
Yeah. I'm fine.
Mm-hmm. So as you can see, the intestine has been tied off, so I'm going to cut it free. So what are those sores?
On her lips.
Oh, look. From the cyclophosphamine treatment. The same reason she lost her hair.
So, it's not Wegener's granulomatosis or Church-Strauss syndrome. It's got to be autoimmune, right?
Yes, but unclassified. And immunosuppressives had limited effect, I mean. But look, on the uterine wall, the growths, they're more pronounced, more mature.
Right.
So this could mean that they have originated in the uterus and spread from there.
That could be the cause of her infertility.
Possibly. No, right now is not a good time.
Sorry, it's my mom. Sorry, I'm kind of in the middle of it.
Red alert, Cosima. I've just been approached by another monitor, which means they know I know about Tommy, which means you definitely can't trust Delphine.
That's complicated.
Complicated. My play opens tomorrow. Your play? Don't belittle me, Cosima. Felix is gone, Sarah's gone. You and I are the only ones who can hold down the fort now.
Look, I'm having enough trouble holding down my own fort today.
Sorry to bother you. It's a very crucial information that I'm being double monitored. I'm sorry, okay?
It tells you you're in violation.
Scott, you're supposed to be my expert on genetic patterns here.
I just blog about it. Why can't I come work for you on this super sensitive shit?
Delphine, why can't Scott come and work with us on the super sensitive shit?
Because we'd have to kill his family.
You hear that?
That's fine. I applied with a letter from the dean.
Hi, Scott. Bye, Scott.
He's so cute.
Did you get these?
What?
They're tissue test results from a stem cell line, one that I've never seen before. And they are...
What?
compatible with you.
Really?
But they were sent to me by mistake. They were meant for Leakey.
He's supposed to share all the science with us. Why don't we have these cultures?
I don't know. Because they're experimental or proprietary.
That doesn't matter. I'll try anything.
So will I.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
If he's withholding promising treatment from you, yes.
He's gonna ruin your career, destroy your reputation as a budding lesbian.
No, I think he's probably culturing it himself, so I would check these fridges.
For a beaker marked culture?
Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, man.
Dr. Cormier?
My bad. I wanted to see the original genome.
No, she didn't. Aldous, you held back a stem cell line from us.
In fact, I didn't. Remember I told you I was developing a pluripotent stem cell line from baby teeth?
Yeah?
But Rachel is obstructing further testing.
Why the hell would she do that?
In a word, Sarah. You seen this before?
Who are they?
Two forefathers of the original experiment. This was in Sarah's possession. I'm gonna tell you something that only a handful of people know. 20 years ago, there was a fire in one of our labs. Several scientists died. Reams of data lost. And the original genome was destroyed.
So all of this secrecy around the original genome is because it doesn't exist?
Yes. The entire project is essentially an orphan. We lost your prehistory, Cosima, and with it, all record of several synthetic sequences embedded in your DNA.
What kind of synthetic sequences?
Sequences that make you possible. That overcame the viability issues that have haunted us ever since.
So you lost the map. So finding the sequence in the genome is like looking for hay in a haystack.
So you see if Sarah has uncovered something? I need to know.
I have no idea.
Whether I believe that or not, as a gesture of good faith, I'm willing to disregard Rachel and proceed with the treatment. Go. Just an intradermal test to see how your body responds.
Yes, if my arm falls off, then we know. But if you grow another limb, yeah. Oh, Dr. Leakey, in light of what you shared with us earlier, we have a proposition for you.
We do?
No, not us. Us.
I'm all ears.
We want to know, do you like to drink beer?
There's no sign of inflammation. Are you okay?
No pain? It's fine.
It's promising. Hey, contain yourself, please.
Sarah's scared now of getting sick too. Her and Kira, as if she needed anything else to worry about.
You have to tell them eventually.
Yeah, but I wanted to have some answers, you know? Give them something. Not just more crappy news.
You can offer hope. If these results stay positive, we move to implantation.
Stem cells from the exfoliated dental pulp of baby teeth in my uterus. It's not invasive at all. Come on. How do you even know this is a match? The odds of compatibility are like 1,000,000 to 1.
Luckily, we only had to search thousands of samples before we found it. There are benefits to being a multinational.
Pauvre petit chou. You're the puppy. Dr. Cormier. Who? Hey, Scott.
Cosima, hey.
Hi, what are you doing here?
I can't believe it either. Dr. Leakey personally approved my application.
Did you know about this?
Well, we need a sequencing tech, and he said he was the best.
Okay, one sec.
he is involved. You gave him your samples.
Yeah, but he doesn't know that.
Look, he found your synthetic sequence, and we need an expert we can trust on examining that.
Hey, sorry, we're not hiring right now.
But
No.
I know about the clones.
Can you feel that?
Mm-mm.
Feel that?
Kinda.
Yeah? And that? The spinal's working. We're gonna begin.
Okay.
Yeah? She's inserting into the uterus. And she's gonna inject directly into the masses. This is the beginning of getting you well, Cosima.
You gave me Kira's stem cells?
Please, listen to me. Leaky set us up.
Us? What?
Yes, remember the culture we stumbled upon, the match? Well, he planted it for us to find.
You knew it was Kira's.
But only after I realized that it was working. The tests were positive and I had to
Did you ever stop to think once that this is my decision and not yours?
There is no decision, Cosima. You have one way forward and this is it.
How did you harvest her?
Kira lost a tooth in her accident and Leaky procured it from the hospital. It is a finite source.
Unless you bring her in for more.
Yeah.
Don't.
You don't understand.
This is my lab. My body! I'm the science! Get out!
Cosima! Cosima!
Hold on to your hat.
Hey, my pass card is not working.
Yeah, I locked you out. Is that for me?
Yeah, a package from Sarah. Seriously? I can override this lock anytime.
Go for it. I just really don't want you here.
Cosima!
Wow, girl fights are mean. Cosima, are you okay?
We need to talk.
Play on.
Cosima, things are moving too fast to be this way. I think they killed Aldous.
What?
Rachel is at his desk. And she's selling it as a heart attack on the private jet. Listen to me. I think you are running out of time. And Kira's tooth was a band-aid. But Duncan, he may hold the key to an actual cure. I'm trying to help. Tell me what you want.
Alright, yeah, so you're done. Alright, totally. You won one
Hey,
battle. Okay, one
battle, bitches. Can you pick up your beastmen and beat it? I'm gonna keep the promise that I made to you when we first met. That one day I get you completely baked.
I am helium and I'm way funnier than Bologna. Helium is way funnier than Bologna. Oh my god.
Is the helium voice gone now?
Yes. It is.
Good. Because there is something important I want to tell you. Je t'aime.
Is that why you didn't tell me that they were curing stem cells?
Yes.
Is that why even before I got here, you gave Dr. Leakey my blood samples? Even though I told you not to?
Cosima. It's your life.
It's not just that. It's all of us. You have to love all of us.
Then I love all of you.
Good. Because if you betray us again, I have enough dirt on you to destroy your career. And I love you too. Okay.
Cosima. This is
Professor Duncan, my maker.
Oh, please don't call me that. It's Ethan.
It's not every day you get to meet your, Ethan.
No, I suppose not.
We're ready to work.
We're very optimistic.
This is Scott. He's new to the whole thing, but indispensable.
Cosima? What's wrong? I made a terrible mistake. What have you done?
Auntie Cosima.